Yeah, like there's no videos on this. Like what? This is the clamp for the jack and the tools. And everybody says you got to remove this, so I'm gonna be the real judge on it. Toyota Tundra 2015 to 2014 to 2021. Skar loaded 10-inch for a Toyota Tundra CrewMax. Yeah, so I guess I gotta pry that up. I mean, I just bent it up, bent it back. A little bit of metal being removed, but you know, whatever. Oh, you're not gonna see it. Cool little fence hammer there. Yeah. No one will know. You'll never know. Yeah, they're tripping. It fits with the backing pad still on. Yeah, no, they're tripping. You just have to move it a little bit more towards this side, towards the trim, until this side is, this one is on the other side. The little bump, and then the divot right there is on this seat bracket, and then you just crank it down. It'll push itself back. I did a piece of ABS plastic with some spacers here and here, so that the floor vent push air underneath, and then so it's spaced up, and then it was crooked. I just did Velcro on the four corners. You pop the seat up, and then underneath the carpet on this hump, there's basically an M10 bolt, and then you just clean the paint off and ground it, and then power loops under here through that grommet they're talking about. This is how I ran that though. A little cutout. Cleaned up all the terminals, made sure I sanded it all down, added another ground there. Drilled in here, it clears. You can still kind of get this. You still get it out. And moment of truth, I'm not sure if you have to remove the negative terminal before you connect it. But I guess I will. Nope, it's a 12. That's 5 millimeter. Tighten up the hook one first. Click. Click. All right, let's see. This you squeeze. I have a Kogamichi Android CarPlay system. I couldn't, so you're supposed to go into the factory settings to turn on the remote turn on. I just tapped into the radio turn on lead. Tight enough so that it doesn't move. I tapped into the subwoofer out, and let's see if it turns on. And I tapped into the radio turn on, so it's guaranteed. We have a light. So I think I got it to about 28 hertz, so 25 28 for subsonic, LPF between 50 and 220. In the middle is 135. But I also have a LPF low pass filter on the head unit, and I'm gonna do a quarter gain for now. Let's see. Subwoofer in, boy.